Today we're working on a 2002 Honda Civic. This will work for a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic. The problem we have here is a P0505, which is an idle air control valve. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do for this job is disconnect your negative battery cable. That'll reset the system. You want to remove 4 bolts. There's one here, down here. One over here, and there's one, obviously it's missing down there. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That'd be a lot of fucking heavy. Okay, next you want to remove this connector. This is the air intake temp sensor. And then move that to the side. There's this clamp right here. So that one's not very hard to take out. You can easily do it with your fingers. And then now we have this, it's a little bit hidden. It's an 8mm screw. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. There. So over here you want to take this bolt out. There's one down there that I have already taken out, and then you'll push this to the side. After that, this should just come up and good to go. And 2. Okay, and now you have 3 screws, Phillips. For this, I'm going to use an impact driver. I don't want to strip out the screws because then you're going to have a whole lot of mess. Okay, so if you don't know, this is what an impact driver looks like. You're going to hammer into it so it can crack loose a screw without stripping it. There we go. There's 1. There's 2. So after you get it with an impact driver, just use a regular screwdriver. It'll make it much faster, a little bit easier. And there's your idle air control valve. That's what it looks like. Someone must have put a junkyard one. I think that's why it went out. But we're not gonna replace it. We're gonna clean it up. It's probably just dirty, and that's why I'm getting that code. So yeah, let's clean it out with some throttle body cleaner. I'm just gonna use a cotton swab. I never like to spray the sensors directly or anything. Most of the time they get damaged, but you want to clean in here. You can see it has a lot of carbon buildup. That's usually what ruins these. Okay, once you got it down, so it looks a little bit better. The only reason I did this is because a new one is like about 200 bucks. One from the dealership is almost 400. So now here we're gonna remove this gasket just in case. I got a new one, so we should be good. Okay. We're just gonna give it a quick wipe. Any type of alcohol is all right, just to get all the stuff out. So this is the part I got, gasket. Here's your part number if you want it. Got it off Rock Auto. I think it was about $3. So now reverse order. Start putting your screws back. There's 1. There's 2. And 3. Okay, so what you want to do is hand tight it pretty good. You don't want to use an impact driver to push it in. This should be good enough. And after you got these down, again, put your connector. Then you're going to grab your 2 coolant hoses. You put the air filter box. You want to put this hose in first. Make sure it slides in